So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So first thing first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do all to click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You'll find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at this right here, guys. Now if you take a look at this right, this movement right here on our GBP USD is very much on a range market move. You know, guys, before we take a trade, we need to know what a trend is. Then we have to trade with a trend. Now, we've been able to establish the fact that market is on a ranging market move, right? We need to range with it. So within this ranging market move, we have the major ranging market move and we have the minor ranging market move. So basically, we have the major resistance and major support zone, and we also have the minor resistance and the minor support zone. Now let's zoom it in right here, guys. If you take a look at this, market rallied up to tap our resistance, rejected from it got to the resistance, rejected, and eventually dropped to tap our support, right? Market eventually got to the support, rejected, and came back to tap our resistance, then rejected from our resistance and dropped back to tap our support level, right? Now if you take a look at this movement right here, guys, market eventually rejected from this our support level and came back to tap our resistance, then rejected from our resistance and dropped to tap our support, right? Market eventually rejected from our support level, then came back to tap our resistance, then it eventually dropped, right? So with this drop that market did give us, right, market eventually pushed up again, then it dropped one more time, right? Market eventually pushed up again, came to close to this resistance, then dropped one more time again to tap our support. Now, with this level, we will be expecting a reaction from this level. So basically, market should give us like a little bit of a bullish move for the day. So what we are trying to say is that do not go in for the sell right now. Where market is currently at, the worst thing you would do is to go in for the sell. So the best thing you would want to do right now is to stay out of this trade or possibly go in for the buy. Do not go in for the sell. Now let's drop that to our 4-hour time frame. So this is just a level right here. This is just the support level. So let's see markets just reject and push up. So let's see if you can grab between 50 to 60 pips for the day on our GBP USD. More update on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for not to miss out on the updates.